Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Renee here again, where I transform, create, DIY and decorate. Today I will be sharing with you 3 simple DIYs that you can try at home with stuff that you have around home. So today's first DIY, I will be creating a textured art project using silicone seal. So I watch a couple videos and I see persons using caulking and other textured items to create wall art. No, I don't have those on hand. I am sick. And guess what? I'll be using what I have, and what I have now is silicone seal. So guess what? The silicone seal I'll be using, I squeeze some on this poster. It's not poster board, but you can use poster board as well. It's a photo paper that I have. I cut it down to the size of the frame, and here you'll be seeing me creating a pattern. You can create whatever pattern you choose. There's no wrong or right way into this. Any pattern that looks good to you, you can just go ahead with it and create your own art. Just have fun. So you see me use a piece of cardboard going over different techniques, but what I start to realize is those just look a little bit plain. I need more texture. So I fold the cardboard one more time, the piece of cardboard one more time, and then I just take time and tap it. You see the fork mark there as well. I was trying the fork technique, but it didn't look so lovely. So here you see me with the final. For the second project, I call this one the stone heart. The stone art, yes, the stone art. So I have this frame. I was going to paint the edge black, but then I realized I want to keep that gold trim that is inside. So I will be taping off the inside with painter's tape. So each of the corner I get painter's tape and taped it off. So after taping it off, I decided that I will go and paint the edge with black acrylic paint. This had a little mixture of white as well, but I used mostly black on this one. So I ensure that all corners are fully coated with the black acrylic paint, and afterwards I put it to dry. Now, while the paint is drying, I get one more piece of that white poster board that I use. Not white poster board, it's a photo paper, but you can use poster board as well. And then I will be getting 3 stones of my choice. Any 3 stones you can use. I use the flat surface stones here. So I go ahead and choose 3 stones that I like for this project, and then for each stone I will be using crazy glue to glue it onto the paper in a nice line. So after all 3 stones are glued evenly, I ensure that they are glued, and then I put them in the frame, and here's how it looks. So for the final project, I will be trying the same silicone technique on this small vase that I have as well, just to see if I can give this a little textured, a little old look, and just to see what the outcome will look like. You can tell me if you like it. If you don't, you can still share. This was the least favorite of the 3 projects, but it still turned out okay for me. Here I'll be using the silicone seal on it evenly to create texture onto this face. As I said before, there's no right or wrong way when handling silicone or these type of mixtures. You can also go in and just use your hand as well. Once you evenly cover the whole face, you can just use your hands and just to fix areas and to seal areas that aren't covered. After finishing, you can put this to dry, and when it's dried, you can come in now with your acrylic painting. So for the outer piece, I will be using white and black paint, and here I will be just dabbing the base or the face with it just to give that little textured aged look. So I'll be using a little black here as I didn't have any brown, and then I will be using this sponge brush just to dab it, and I hope you like the outcome. Please comment below which one was your favorite. Also, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.